You know I was gonna eat those steaks, right? Now you're chopping them into cubes.
I'm prepping them for burgers. Ribeye burgers.
Alrighty folks, I took 2 ribeye steaks, cut them in cubes, and removed some of the fat. We then put it through my KitchenAid meat attachment on a medium 3. Once the meat was ground, I chopped up some onion, garlic, Italian spices, fresh oregano, fresh basil, spinach, and feta cheese, and added that all to my bowl. I also added some garlic powder and pink Himalayan sea salt, some chopped green Italian olives, and about 1 teaspoon of the liquid from the jar. I also topped it off with Parmesan Reggiano, about 1/4 cup, and gave everything a gentle toss just to incorporate the ingredients together with the meat. You don't want to overmix as the meat will become tough. I formed them into 1/2-inch thick patties and placed a little divot in the center. I heated my cast iron with some ghee and got it nice and hot so that it would create a nice crust on the burgers. They were cooking for about 2 minutes, and then I flipped them, put the lid on, and turned off the heat. I plated with some salad that I made with mixed greens and spinach and tomato and roasted red peppers. For the dressing, I just used apple cider vinegar and olive oil. And of course, I poured the juice from the meat on top.
This is the best burger ever.
Can I see what it looks like? Ooh, it's juicy.
Yeah, it's perfect. It is actually, yeah, hands down, best burger. Good job.
There you have it, guys. My rendition of an Italian ribeye burger. It was juicy and succulent, rich, tasted so good with a nice spicy Italian salad. I highly recommend you make these. As always, use the beef of your choice, and I hope you enjoy.
Babe, what are you doing with my ribeyes?
Why are you saying it like that? It sounds like a commercial. Grind the meat.
You know I was gonna cook those steaks, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna prep them for ribeye burgers.
This is not what I wanted.
Oh, you just wait.
You made steak tartare?
Do not do that. That is disgusting.